Here's how to change the canvas size in Photopea. In the top left corner of the screen, click on Image, then go to Canvas Size, adjust the width and the height, and click on OK. And just like that, you adjusted the canvas size. Now, if you already had images or graphics in your project, then you will likely need to resize these as well. Also, if you have a background layer like we have right here, we usually want to make sure that this background has the same size as the canvas. To adjust that here in the Layers panel, as it is a background layer, we first need to click on this lock symbol to unlock it. Once that is done, we click on Edit here in the top left corner of the screen, and then we select Free Transform. With the image layer selected right here, then go to Edit in the upper left corner of the screen, and select Free Transform. Now use these handles here on the edges to resize your background. To make it the same size as your canvas. And that's it, guys. Last but not least, whenever you open up a new project in Photopea, you can obviously also adjust the canvas size. Here's how it's done. First we click on File in the upper left corner of the screen, and then we click on New to create a new project. Then on the right side you can give your new project a name, and just below that you can define the canvas size here by inputting the desired width and height. Once that is done, click on Create to start your new project. And that's it, guys. This is how you change the canvas size in Photopea. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Photopea tutorials.